I'm Shrinya and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making avocado wedges. The ingredients you'll need are avocados, breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, 1 egg, whisked. Let's get started. Take your avocado, roll it in the flour, and roll it in the egg, and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Let's do for all of them. Now let's bake our avocado wedges at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. It's at 350 degrees. They are done now. Now it's time to taste our yummy avocado wedges. That was yummy. I hope you try this yummy, tasty avocado wedges. They're really healthy and they're yummy snacks. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.